Hey now. Forgot to turn on my mic. Boom. Classic. Classic me. Just kicking butt and taking names. What is up? We are back again. I don't know why. I slept for no time last night. I'm super pumped about this little game that we've been making with VO. I have already put in way too many extra credits into Vercel because I keep running out, but I'm having too much fun and I just need to see it through. So here we are. We're gonna keep going. It's awesome. I'm having a blast. I hope you're having a good day. We're on day 2. I'm going for every day. Not really. I'm going for 3 times a week streaming. 3 times a week. I'm putting myself in a bad position because basically everybody I know I met through Prime Stream, and he's live doing something cool right now. So I fully expect everybody to be there that I know instead of being here. But yeah, I figured we would do a little bit of messing around. I got a meeting at 2, so at that point I'll have to end. But I figured, hey, let's see what we can get moving while we are here. And yeah, so okay, if you do not know, the what am I trying to say? The game that we're making is called Hide and Seek Cards. Maybe I should do, I'm trying to get better at like doing stuff so that I also have videos, like short videos and stuff for YouTube. So I should do better at that. I need to do more like proper intros type stuff so that it works well. I also should just I should probably share this again, that I'm live on theoldx.com. Okay, we are live. We are live, working on Hide and Seek Cards, the hottest new online multiplayer card game. Yeah. Come watch the stream, or just come play some cards. So let's see, stream on X, Twitch. Why do I type all this? I need to save some of this stuff. Twitch, twitch.tv/ThoughtylessLabs. That is me. YouTube, youtube.com/@ThoughtylessLabs. And what else do we want to put? Oh, game available at, and we'll share the game link. Here's the game. Oh dang, it's so cool. Can't believe I vibed this, man. Awesome. All right, let's see here. Twitch, I just want to make sure everything is rocking and rolling. Oh, we've got some drop frames. Hopefully that will fix itself. I'm doing a few things that I have DaVinci Resolve open because I was also debating editing a video, but maybe I'll just close that for now. Try and avoid any excess stuff. I'm also doing more with recording, so hopefully that will work. We're gonna try the recording again. Okay, we're getting close. Here's something exciting. I need 2 more streams. I'm almost at affiliate, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. I'm not going to get there with these types of streams when I only have 1 person, but thank you, 1 person, for joining. But I got to get 3 people streaming in Twitch or watching at the same time for a long duration. So like, just come on Twitch and just like, you know, leave it open. You don't even have to listen to me. I don't care. But we're going to go. We are going to work on this game a little bit more. This is what we're doing. Okay, so here's the breakdown for myself, because I think I'm basically the only person here on all channels, like a true streaming champion. Here, hold on. I'm going to open up Kick. Boom, boom, boom. I don't want to hear myself, but I want Kick open. Can I clear this chat? I want all these chats cleared. Clear, baby, clear. Why is that not working? There we go. Okay. Clear chat, cleared chat. This song is pretty legit. Thank you, YouTube. Chill hop, baby. Knows what's up. Rocking and rolling. I am delirious. I should have slept, but I was doing this game way too long. Now I've gone crazy. That's okay, because it's fun and it's Friday. Why don't we just play some games? Hide and seek cards is the name. My little guy, he invented this game while we were camping. It went in his brain. He told us how to play, and now we play it almost every day. Decided that I should make it into a little bit of a game that you could play as well. Ha! That was awesome. Nobody was here for that one. Man, need to clip that bad boy. That is 100% going up on the old YouTube. Why have I lost my mind? Oh man. It's over for me. It is so over. I'm talking to myself and losing my brain. Let's see what Prime's doing. Is he still jibber jabbering? Twitchy. I probably can't even like have this on at the same time. It's probably gonna drop a billion frames 100%. If I put Prime on here. Let's see though. Oh my gosh, Jordan and Prime is in the bathroom. Come on, dude. Classic, classic. I did think about. I really want to. Okay, so as you probably know, I mean, pretty much everyone that knows me knows who Prime is. He does a stream called The Stand Up. And I always thought it would be hilarious to watch the stand-up and then do my own stream after the stand-up. Call it Circling Back, and we will talk about all of what they say on the stand-up. I think that's pretty hilarious to me. Okay, I don't really, no offense to Senor Primogen, but we're not going to watch him for long. I just wanted to turn it on and see how our boy was doing. Okay. I also was going to play some video games, and so we might do that today too, but we're going to start with Vercel and making some edits to this game. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I think, okay, 4 hide and seek cards, because, sorry, this is on Twitter, you can't see this, because each game is so quick. Suggestion to always do a best of 3 series before getting booted back to lobby. Good idea. I think I'm gonna do it. I like that. I do like that idea. Okay, is anybody on here? Let's see. Let's check out the old stats. Oh no, that's just the builder. Is the analytics not working, or is it just not loading? Hold up. Hold up. Is it just me? Just me on the old hide and seek cards? That sounds right. If I refresh this. I just want to know if you are gonna figure it out. Doesn't look like you will, but let's play a game. Let's just play one. Find a match. See if anybody's online. Okay. 29 seconds left. Who wants to join? Come play. Come play my vibe-coded game, hide and seek cards. I want people to play because I'm testing stuff and it needs to work. This stream is gonna be so bad because I am so tired. Oh, we're playing all against the old CPUs. That's fine. At least this music's keeping me going. Alright. Self-elimination. Oh no, did it break? Oh no, good. Oh, I was like, no, don't break. Maybe I will try doing DaVinci Resolve since... Oh, I don't... Why am I losing so many frames? What else can I turn off in my house, internet-wise? I think I need to figure out a way to do Ethernet connection as well. I think that would work. Oh, let me test this. I want to see if this works. I added a thing. If you're on the old Twitch, where you should be able to do add join game, and it should, yeah, sent the link. And it sent it to all of them. That's what I wanted it to do. Wait, no, I didn't want it to do that. But I'm an admin. So did I just send it to all of them? Oh, now I don't know. I need some people watching to test this game. I totally lost because I wasn't paying attention. But I did make it so that it always keeps playing. So that way, if people, because people are lazy as players and they forget and they bail and they do all sorts of weird stuff. And so I wanted to make sure that the game never stopped playing. Just because people are being silly. Okay. I also did something ridiculous. I opened up my window because I was hot. I mean, I could just take off my sweater, but I didn't want to. So, anyways, okay. Let's do a quick intro and see what happens. What's up, everybody? We are here making a game with Vercel using their vo.dev. The game is Hide and Seek Cards. It's a video game that, or it's a card game that my son invented while we were camping. And I've always decided that I thought it'd be really fun to turn it into a video game that we could play. So started out as a quick single player game. And then I decided, hey, let's turn this into a multiplayer game using AI and see if we could do it. I haven't touched a single piece of code here. I honestly don't know how anything in this game works. All I know is that I can play it and I can play it with other people. And it's awesome. And when I played it with my son this morning, he lost his mind with excitement. And if that is the only thing that you use AI for, I think you're still winning, because being able to make these, I think I heard somebody coin the term friendware games, and I think that's perfect. Like, anybody who can play these friendware games or make these little games that you can play with your friend with AI that you don't have to do anything for is like legit. So that's what we're doing. So we're gonna add some new features, check out some new stuff, see what we could do. I only have, let's see, I think I only have like $3 left. Oh, I got $5 left on Vercel right now. Vercel sponsor? What? Not a sponsor. They should be. Okay, I'm losing a lot of frames though, and I don't like that, and I don't know why. Something is causing me to lose too many frames right now. Let me do a speed test. 1.2% is too high. We're gonna run a speed test. Hey, what's up, Jessica on YouTube? How you doing? If you can see that link, or just type in the exclamation point join game, you can come play hide and seek cards with me. It's the game that we're making. I'm just running this test because I'm dropping a lot of frames and I don't know why, and it's kind of bothering me. Oh, like, yeah, it just dropped a bunch because I just been doing a speed test. Oops. Oh yeah, why is upload so down? Well, it should be fine actually. I don't know. It's annoying though. I just lost a bunch of frames. Sorry, that probably just stuttered. I should not have ran a speed test in the middle of streaming. Turns out that's not a good idea. But I'm trying to figure out I turned off my other computer. What other things are causing my slow internet? What else can I turn off on here? I can probably... Okay, hold on. This might screen flicker. I just need to do something with my monitor. I'm going to move this temporarily to over here. Okay, good. That actually didn't cause any errors. What do I have open that I can shut off? Oh, Discord, gone. Don't need you. Not right now. That's about it, though. I don't really have any other internet stuff open. Okay. Oh, I don't like this, though. We're dropping too many frames. What else is happening on my connection? I'm sorry, this is probably stuttering like wild. Oh, maybe it's this. Maybe there's a leak in this game. Oh, that's what I bet it is. Okay, that's the first thing we need to fix. No, that's actually not right. That's not doing it. There's something else. Anyways. Yo, Michio, what's up, dude? Hey, okay. So last night on stream, decided to build a game. All right? It's a game that my son made. It's called Hide and Seek Cards. He invented it while we were camping, and it's legitimately awesome. And I've always wanted to turn it into a game. I decided randomly, hey, why don't I turn this into a multiplayer game? Why not? So if you do the command, hi Shetty, what's up on YouTube? If you type in command on any of the channels that I'm streaming on right now, exclamation point, join game, you can come play hide and seek cards with me. I just started a new game. And if you get in the next 30 seconds, you can play in this game, and it should work. It's all entirely vibe coded with VO from Vercel, but it seems to be working. And if you join the game, it'd be awesome. Oh man, I need to fix that though. It shouldn't go out to every channel when somebody does join game on Twitch. And I know that that's a setting in StreamerBot, but I don't know how to fix it. But dude, he's in there. Okay, what's up, man? Oh, all right, let's play. Okay, since you've never played before, here's a quick rundown of the rules. When it's your turn, you pick a target that you want to eliminate, and then you pick a card. They just got it right. Morgana got it. So Loyal Phoenix, unfortunately, you are out. So you're not going to get a chance to play yet. But we'll do another game. Oh, no. Did I just get kicked out? Oh, no, they picked Morgana. Okay, good. All right. So now I'm going to pick Corvus, and I want him to be here. No! And then the worst part is if you pick your own card, you actually self-eliminate. It kicks you out. So this is the whole game. It's so much fun. It's really fun in person. And this is actually pretty good. Thank you. Smooth animations. I know. Dude, this is zero coding from me. 100% all Vercel VO. Like, I actually couldn't believe it. It did the whole multiplayer. Like, it's wild. Oh, okay, here we go. Last chance. Come on, pick Corvus. No! Self-elimination. Done. And I'm out. All right, I'm going to do another game. But yeah, it's wild. Like, it really kind of boggles my mind how well it did here. What's up, Ronaldo? Sorry I didn't say hello. Welcome to the chat. If you want to come join us, just type in exclamation point join game and it'll give you the URL. And you can come play hide and seek game. The last recommendation I had from somebody, and I think I am going to implement it, is doing Happy New Year, Ronaldo. Hopefully you had a good one. Hopefully it was enjoyable. Somebody suggested, because the games are so short, it should do like a best of 3 before you get kicked out of the game into the lobby. And I kind of like that idea. So I'll see if VO can handle that logic. Okay, my turn. I'm going to go for Valeria. No, self-elimination. It's okay, Ronaldo. Just come in and you can play. After this game, you can join in the next one. It's super easy. My, at the time, 6-year-old invented this game. And all you do is you pick a target who you're going to go after, and then you pick a card. If you pull their card, they're eliminated. If you pull your own card, you're eliminated. And that's it. That's the whole game. You go until there's one person left. It is a lot of fun to play in person. And actually, I found it reasonably enjoyable playing on here as well. Oh, self-elimination. Oh, no. Can you tell me what to write is slow? Ronaldo, I'm sorry, I don't know what that means. And what's up, Fiber Communications? If you want to come play, new game starting. Whoever wants to join in, just click the link. And if you can't see the link, just type in exclamation point join game. And because I set it up improperly, it seems like that actually sends it all everywhere. So, oh yeah, here we go. We got 3 people. Nice. Dude, this is awesome. Can you say my name? Fiber Communications. Name sent. Yo, what's up, buddy? Welcome back. Welcome back. We got hide and seek game. It's all sorted. It's working. Online multiplayer. Okay, who's up first? And nobody else can see this, but everybody's player, who they are, should always show up at the bottom of the screen. Don't like this on your name. Don't like this on your name. I don't know what that is. Twitch is so wild. I'm in another stream, and me and some guy are teaching some lady in Sweden to use a drill to hang a shelf. Dude, that's awesome. To join the game, just type in exclamation point. Here, I'll just write it. Join game, and a link should pop up for you. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I need to turn it off. I broke it. Oh no. It shouldn't do that. It shouldn't go everywhere. Oh no. I'm not good. I'm really not good at like setting up StreamerBot and stuff. I do a really bad job at this. Hey, Ronaldo, what's not working, bud? The game? Or... Okay, that's good. That worked properly. Although it really shouldn't be sending to every channel when that happens. I'm gonna go check my channel because I don't want that to happen. Oh, I'm on the last one. Come on, get her. Yes! Morgana, victory! Whoop, 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 whoop. Heck yeah, dude. Okay, I don't want... If you could tie this to channel points, it would be a good stream game. Oh, yeah. That is so far above my knowledge level on anything about streaming and also about how to code this stuff together. But I do agree with you that that would be super cool. So now I have to figure out how to do that because, yeah, that would be awesome. No, I'm trying to join. It's not working. Okay, when you press you're trying to join, what's going on? Because, like, it should start a new game. I wish I could see it because we are trying to debug it. Like I said, this was all vibe coded, so it's very possible that it won't work. But when you click the link, like what's happening? Are you getting like a 404 error? No. My toddler came up with the idea. We were out camping, and it's being hosted on Vercel. We were out camping, and he invented this game just randomly with a deck of cards. Do you know how to do anything? Because it's not working for me. Ronaldo, I don't know how to do anything. Literally, I say that constantly. That's the fun part of my stream, is I don't know what I'm doing. It's a great time for everybody because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm sorry it's not working. I was playing with it the other day, but it was, dude, 3 times in a row is rough. Oh yeah, sorry, Fiber. So yeah, he made the game idea, and so we started playing it. We really liked it, and then ever since he came up with it, I was like, this would make a fun game to play. Like an easy. I felt like, oh, first it'd be an easy game to build on the computer, but also it would just be so much fun. Oh, I lost. I didn't even get a chance to play. All right, whoever wants to join in. I want to see. Okay, I want. Hold on. I'm gonna try and join again because after this game starts, if I do find match, it should be able to run multiple games. My game, when I go in your game, is glitching. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna wait. I want this game to start, and then I'm gonna start another one and see what happens. You guys can't see me start. Somebody's like joining and not joining. It's like they're getting kicked out. Is that you, Ronaldo? Because I just started another game. So if somebody else clicks the link and tries to join, we should be able to play both games at the same time. I mean, obviously, if this game is actually getting popular, I'm going to have to, like, probably upgrade a bunch of stuff on Vercel because I just did all the free tier stuff. But ideally, everybody should be able to join and play. It should be able to handle multiple games. Okay, another game. Oh, no, another game just started, but I'm stuck with all pretend people. I'm going to leave. Hold on. Let's start another one. Okay, anybody else, see if you can join and if another game starts up. And if not, that's okay. Like, that's why we're testing this stuff. We don't know what's going on. Oh, I got to pick Sharp Owl. Oh, gotcha, Sharp Owl. Right at the end. Got it. Okay, maybe it broke. It's very possible. If multi-game going at the same time might have broke. Okay, let me try. Okay, here we go. This is what we're here for. So I'm gonna see if it has any logs. Let's do this. I am getting reports. I also see the people that's doing it, but you know me, I keep looking. All right, I appreciate it. We're gonna try this. You guys should still be able to play even if I'm not playing. And the only thing that might happen is when it does updates, especially when it messes with like Redis, I've noticed that it can kind of mess up some of the games that are like active when that happens. But okay, I'm getting reports from people that if a game is running, they are unable to join a new game. Check Redis. I'm going to change my tabs. My connection gets lost. That's probably why I keep putting rejoining. Oh, when you change tabs. Okay, that makes... Okay, so I think that makes sense. In the sense that I had set it so that if you're away, it'll like boot you out of the game, but that's too fast. It shouldn't happen that far. Oh shoot, what did I just do? Sorry, I just pressed a weird button. Check the code and Redis and make sure that and make sure that the game is able to handle multiple separate games running simultaneously. Also, if a player is not on the active tab of the game, it shouldn't boot them too quickly from the game. Only if they are away for an entire turn of theirs. Then convert them to a bot. Same on matchmaking screen. Do not boot them from matchmaking. Unless they do it themselves. Okay, let's see if Vercel can handle that. Anybody playing right now, just as a heads up, I have noticed that like sometimes this goes all wonky wonk when I try and do changes. So just be prepared. And Ronaldo, I do, just so you know, man, I really appreciate you helping do this. I just cannot figure it out. Donating $50 is super cool. I don't have that set up yet, I don't think, because I'm not monetized on any of these streaming platforms. So I really appreciate the offer, but I'm not good enough at streaming yet in order to do this. But yeah, what are you gonna do? Okay, let's see. See the issue. Multiple game issues. The join queue logic looks at existing lobby ID. If a player already has lobby mapping, it returns them to that lobby instead of letting them join a new game. Also, cleanup game resources is called on all players in that lobby when just one player tries to rejoin. Okay, there we go. So it was an issue. I thought that VO was just for designing websites. Yeah, I mean, like it is mostly. So how do I explain this? I actually did two things. First, I started building this on Gemini, on the Google AI Studio. And then I exported the code and then put it into Vercel because I hate launching on Gemini. I find their deployment structure is really, I don't know, personally, I just find it really frustrating. And Vercel has have really sorted the deployment stuff. So I took the code, then uploaded it into VO so that I could keep making edits. All right, let's see. Hopefully this worked. So I'm going to publish this, and then everybody who is in the game, you'll need to refresh, and it might mess you up. Just saying, like it's very possible that this is going to break it for you, but if you refresh, you should be good to go. I also, like I said, I need to figure out. Well, whatever. That's StreamBot. I don't like that when you call it in one channel, it goes everywhere. That really shouldn't happen. But we're getting close. I mean, the fact that like I worked on this for probably a total of 6 hours last night, and that's it, and built this from scratch. Like this had nothing. It did not exist. It was completely not a thing. Oops. Why can't I clear the chat on YouTube? Where's my mod commands? YouTube? Whatever. Anyways. I'm glad I got to write it clear. Okay. If you were playing and you want to try again, like I said, you should need to refresh. Ideally, a refresh will work. Okay, I'm in. Who's Sharp Owl? Is that still... Let me know in the chat if you're Sharp Owl. And ideally, with those changes, this will work now. I don't know, but fingers crossed. Here's the hoping. All right, let's do this. I spent so long getting that silly emoji thing to work for no reason. I just really wanted it to work. Okay, if anybody else joins, let me know if you get into a new game. Ideally, it should be working now. I'm gonna go after Silas. You're done, Silas. Yes! Eliminated! Eat it, Silas. Okay. For anybody playing, what do you think? Oh, self-elimination! What do you think about the idea that somebody had about doing, it's like a best of 3? I feel like it's probably a good idea. Because the games are super fast. And it would actually probably be better for the server too, because it could probably handle more if it's not constantly doing so. Oh no, I forgot to play. No, he got me. Oh no, he got himself. Victory! Yes! Yes! We did it! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Crushing it! Okay, let's try a new game. I'm the only one. Oh man, I'm having way too much fun. Way too much fun. I'm so bad at this game. Dude, it's wild. Sometimes you just go on these streaks. In real life, for some reason, I am also horrible at this game. I get destroyed every single time. Oh, I want some more people to play. Go tell your friends. Tell them to join the chat. Play the game. Join the stream. I want to get as many. I want to get like 10 people playing because I want to see if it can handle multiple games. All right, Silas, get out of here, man. Oh man, that was a great idea too about figuring out how to tie this into Twitch. I know Prime's really good at that. I should learn how to do that because that would be super awesome. Like to turn it into like a stream rewards game. All right, man, don't pick yourself. Nice. But who are you going after, Silas? Not bad. I mean, hey, at least you didn't self-eliminate that time. That's better. That's not too bad. Could be worse. Could be much worse. All right. Oh, self-elimination. All right, Silas, you're out. No, self-elimination. I'm done. Ah, dude, I'm done. I'm having so much fun with this game. I need testers to see how many games can run concurrently. Come play. Oh. All right. Just out of curiosity, Wood One, I don't know your real name, which is fine. You don't have to tell me. But can you start a new game? Do find a new game, and then I want to join the lobby because ideally your countdown timer should already be going by the time I join in. Because it shouldn't reset. If it's resetting, that's a sign that probably something is wrong. I know it's delayed, so you might not even be like the timer might already be gone. I'm just gonna press it and see what happens. Are you in there already? 26 seconds. Okay, great. Had you just started? Does that make sense that I was about 4 seconds late? Okay, perfect. You were alone, and then I joined in, yeah? I think it works. Now I just need to be able to test. Okay, I'm gonna start another window because what I want is to start another game. Oh shit. Sorry, excuse me. Oh yeah, I forgot. I accidentally added the ability to go back in to the game, which is awesome. Now this should start a new game. Oh, it did, I think. I don't know who Keen Links is. Is that somebody in chat? Who's playing? Is that on Twitter? Is that on Twitch? I think it's working. I think we're both doing it. I think I'm in 2 games. Yes. Yeah. I think it works. Oh, I just got eliminated in that game. Ah. I think it works. Dude, thank you for helping me test this. That's like the hardest thing to do when you are just randomly doing this stuff by yourself. So the fact that you're actually able to help me is huge. And I think it's working now. I think like I'm in one game over here that's still playing. That's fine. And then now we're in another game. It's my turn. Morgana, are you out? Nope. Oh, nobody. Dude, this is awesome. And now I can start another game. And that's going. The only thing I need to still fix on sizing is, I'll show you, on mobile sizing, the the players are still a little too big and they overlap the cards, and I wish they wouldn't do that. But this is great. I'm in 2 games now. Oh, self-elimination again. No. Now I need to add things like I should add like screen shake or something, or like some more ridiculous animations. Okay, I'm in this game now. Perfect. And I'm kicked out of this game because I just got murdered. But I'm in 2 games at once. I think it's working. I can leave this game. Now, I don't know if you're still in this game, but if all the human players leave a game, it's supposed to just end the game. Again, the idea was like to try and keep it better on the server. But if any player characters are still watching, then it keeps it going. I really think the only thing I need to fix on here now is mobile.
You're not gonna need that.
Because it's just a little off still. Sizing wise. Okay, hold on. Heck yeah, dude. Oh, I missed my turn. Darn it. Sometimes Twitch doesn't send my messages for some reason. Maybe it's my VPN or something. Oh, don't worry. Like, I mean, it could be your stuff. It could be mine. I know you're helping me, and I really appreciate it. So I'm glad to say mobile worked well. Okay. I noticed on my mobile. Here, I'll see if I can show you. This is awesome. This is amazing. I cannot believe I built this with AI. Yeah, so like, see on my mobile, it's just a little bit overlapping. I just want this cards to be a tiny bit smaller, I think, so that none of the images overlap. But that's real. I don't even think it's worth messing with right now. Okay, I think I'm gonna try and add the 3-game feature. Do I have enough tokens probably to get it done? I think so. Okay. This is a major update to how the game functions, so please be careful and thorough when it comes to implementation. Because each of the games are so short, I think it would be fun to make each game a series of 3 best of 3 series of best of 3. I think that the cards locations keep between people's turns, but they don't, right? They do get sorted every turn. I mean, sometimes they will stay, and I swear to you, this was happening to me in testing. Every time I thought for sure, and no worry, dude, your English is amazing. Every time I thought for sure that it was working, or that it wasn't shuffling, then I would click it, and sure enough, it would be a different card. So it's supposed to shuffle every time. They say it does. I mean, doesn't mean that the card doesn't end up in the same spot every once in a while. But if you play, I did like some offline play and played as humans, because you can actually do 4 humans offline, which is what I really also like about this game, is because it doesn't matter, like, you don't have to keep anything secret as a player, right? Like the actual whatever your actual card is, it doesn't matter, because it's just about picking the card. So anyways, I'm really excited by that, because then you can actually do offline multiplayer, which is great, because it doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter if everyone knows what everybody's card is. All that matters is picking the card at the end, in the game. So I'm pretty stoked about that. I think that's pretty awesome. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna try this. Okay, it'll be fun to make each game a series of best of 3. That way, it should cut down on calls to game lobby server as well. Well, because people won't be exiting and entering a game as often. Here's how it should work. All of the matchmaking works the same way, but after single game completes, add a visual token to the player who won the game. Be cool if we could create private matches. Yeah, private matches I was thinking would be pretty cool too. I mean, instead of just trying to get everyone else in the same match. Yeah, I was thinking about that as well. I assume Vercel will be able to figure that out. I don't know, but I'm hoping it can, because I do like that idea. Like, do find match, do play offline, and then also have like a room code button. I actually don't even think that'll be that hard. Let's just try and do it now. First, I want to do this. Well, what do you think? Okay. What do you think? No, okay. Oh, I don't know what to do. I can't decide if I want to... Like, I like the idea of doing 3 games, best of 3, because it's so fast. And then you don't have to get kicked out of every game every time. Okay, who won the game? And then restart the game. Restart the game with the same players. This will continue until one player has won 2 games. Best of 3. That should work, right? Because really that's what we're looking for. It's not really best of 3. Or is it? Do we want best of 3? Or do I want just you have to win 2 games before you get kicked out? I mean, is that technically best of 3? I guess that is technically best of 3. It's just kind of weird to say best of 3 because you're not actually playing 3 games. But anyways, after a player or bot has won 2 games, then the option to join a new lobby should, or to find a new game should come up. Find a new game should come up on the victory defeat modal. However, I would also like to add an option of an option to replay with same players on this screen. If all players select to play again, then restart a new best of 3 game using all the same players. To ensure it is clear who has voted, if a player clicks on the play again button, add a small version of their avatar to the top right corner of the button. Oh man, this is a big change. I'm worried that this is gonna break it. Let's do this. Let's just try it. Let's just see if we can knock it all out. Finally, I would also like to add the ability for a player to host/join a private game. If a player selects... Okay, hold on. We need to add a button to the main screen that is host/join, which takes them to a page where they can set where they get a custom where they can either if you press host/join, it should just come up with an option where on the it takes to a page where they can either choose to host a game, which will start a new... I know, VO might get confused. I can't decide. I know this sounds weird, but sometimes I find overloading it with information, for some reason, it does a better job. I don't know if it's just because it's like already looking at all the context. Now, the good thing about VO, if it blows it completely, I can just revert back. It's no big deal. I mean, I waste a bit of money, from losing tokens, but it's not too bad. I just want to see. I'm gonna try it. I like seeing what I like pushing it. I like to see what it can do. You know, I find it enjoyable to see if it can figure out what's happening over here. All right, let's see. They can either choose to host a game, which will start a new matchmaking lobby with a unique ID presented on screen. They can then share that ID with with anyone they want to join the game. However, you will still have to cap that game at 4 players. Okay. I mean, in another world, I've thought about doing more than 4 players, but I'm more worried about, more than anything, I'm worried about the UI and Vercel being able to figure out how to do multiple players well. I mean, I know like poker games already do it, like online poker, so I'm sure it's doable, but that one makes me nervous. Cap that game at 4 players. If you select the host/join button on the main page and want to join the game, instead of clicking host on the next page, there should be a text box that allows a user to enter the random code for the game, the hosted game. Make the code only 4 random letters. That's like Jackbox games. I feel like that should work. Oh, I feel like this needs one more thing. I think you might be right where I should do this as 2 prompts, but we're going to see what happens. Also, I need to, or no, also, to make sharing easier, maybe we can append the URL with a question mark and with a game, or no, with a append the URL with the hosted game ID. So if you share the URL, if you share the URL, clicking that URL will take the user directly to the page to enter the room code for the game. No mistakes. Okay, we went silly here. There's no way this, if this works, I might legitimately change my entire feeling to like software engineers need to be worried, because if this whole thing works, that's gonna be wild. We're gonna try it, and if it doesn't, we'll revert and then we'll try it again. But man, if this works, that would be nut bar. Okay, we are adding in some new features to the game. Private game lobbies and best of 3 mechanics for each game. All right, guys, if this works, I don't even know. I'm gonna lose my mind. I really hope it works. Like, I really do. I think it would be amazing. I'm not overly hopeful that this is gonna work out. I am quietly optimistic. I also am almost certain I'm gonna run out of money in my Vercel, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to add a few more buckaroos. But the cards have delay when you click them, or it just gets revealed when the time is running out. If your time runs out, then so there's 2 timers. If you don't select a player and your time runs out, then it automatically selects a player for you to go against, like who your target is. And then another timer starts, and if you don't click that timer, then it should automatically reveal the card. but only when the time is like completely out. If there's probably a slight delay when you click it, and that could just be the server here. It could be your connection. I don't really know. But I don't want it. Like, there's always a little bit of delay because it's like it has to, the state check across all the people playing. But that could be a bug too. I should look and see if it's set up so that if there's lots of games running, that it's making sure it's only checking the game that the person is in. It's very possible that this is a significant update. 3 major updates. Best of 3. Track rounds, show tokens, restart until 2 wins. Yes. Rematch voting. All players vote to replay, show avatars of who voted. Private games, host less join with 4-letter codes, URL sharing. I mean, it knows what it wants. Maybe I was in a hurry to select a player and then immediately a player, so it seems it's working okay. Okay, awesome. And you should be able to, this was a feature that it like kept adding and then forgetting. You should be able to, if you click a player and then change your mind, as long as you still have time on your clock, you could switch players as your target until you end up deciding to actually pick a card. Now, look at this guy. I'm up to, I don't know, yeah, you can see this. I'm up to version 89. That's just me doing these prompts for hours. I should look and see how many, I would love to see how many things I've done. I mean, immediately a game. I was in a hurry to select a player and then immediately a game. So it seems it's working okay. Oh, okay. All right, let's see. If this, I'm definitely gonna run out of money. How much money do I have left? $3. Ooh, if we get this under the wire, that'd be great. I mean, if not, I will obviously just add more funds because if this all works, this is like a full. If this all works, I feel like I need to turn it into like a iPhone app game or something. I also feel like I should add a donate button. Should I? Should I integrate a Stripe donate button? I mean, I'm not expecting... And immediately a card. Sorry, I'm doing multiple things. Dude, don't worry. What do you think? Should I implement a donate button? Is that too sketch? Is that too ridiculous? I mean, I do have Stripe, so I could definitely do it. Always monetize. I know, I do kind of feel that way. Okay, here. While this is running, I'm going to quickly set up a Stripe link. I kind of just want it... Where should I add it? I'll add it on the main screen at the... I don't want to be cheeky, but I kind of want to put it at the top. Not at the very top, like in this panel though, with the buttons versus like underneath the how to play. Although the story piece would sell people, I think, ideally. At the end of the match. Oh yeah, at the end of the match would be good too. I'm going to think about where I want to put it. I'm going to quickly just set up an actual link though. Oh, I don't want to. I have to do a phone call at 2, and like I'm really bummed out because I want to just keep doing this. I wish I could just bail. I can't, but I wish I could. I want to just do this. Yeah, that's a good idea. I am going to do that. Okay, hold on. I'm opening it. So you can't see what I'm doing because I'm doing Stripe on another page, but I'm just going to set up a... should I add credits like V-Bucks on Fortnite? Oh my gosh, dude, that could get out of control. I mean, we could take this out of control. No question. We could go absolutely wild with this. Okay, I'm going to add a new product of... I think it's to donate. Choose what to pay. Card skins? Oh my gosh. Well, this just might be what I do on stream for the next, like... I don't know. Oh, what's this doing? Implemented best. Now I have a complete picture. Let me implement all 3 features. Oh, okay, it's just doing it. Oh, I can't do preview right now, I think, because it's doing so many changes. Also, just as a note to anybody watching, if you're playing, it will probably mess up. Did it do this? Did it break? Did I run out of money? What happened over here? What's it doing? Oh, just that just says stop. Okay, it's just going. Right? Nope. Okay, there we go. Oh no, 404 can't be found. I think it's still figuring stuff out. Let's see if I can figure this out. We're gonna wait. This is probably gonna break a lot of stuff. So if you're playing, although I appreciate it, you might want to take a break. Okay, hide and seek cards. Keep the dream alive by donating. Okay, we're gonna suggest what's a suggested preset for you guys for a donation? Do you think 10? It's Canadian, so that's like $2. Like obviously you can change it, but $10? I think that could be. I think that's reasonable. I mean, obviously, as long as the game actually works, because I clearly just broke the whole thing. But we gave it a big one. We gave it a big prompt to see what it could do. I think. Hold on. We need to refresh it. Hold on. It's probably in some infinite loop. I think we are stuck in a loop because of the change in how we do private games. Take a look. Make sure you have debugging. Because right now we are getting a 404 and cannot start a new game. Like I said, we gave it a big one. Monthly donation option. I mean, I could do a subscription option. I'm gonna start with a preset. I'm just gonna do $10 to start, and as a suggested option, people can do whatever they want after that. I'm gonna do name as option if they want to do it. I don't need addresses. Okay, we're gonna do that. Now we've got a payment link. And then we'll just add this payment link in once this figures it out. Don't see any private games or host a joint content season private game features never actually implemented, only discussed before errors likely from something else. Let me check the matchmaking. Check the queue. The code looks correct. The issue might be stale data and read. Oh yeah, that's almost certainly what it is. So fix the stale data. I'm gonna 100% have to give more money. That's fine. I'm just gonna do it now. If I click this, can you guys all see this? Oh yeah, you definitely can. Okay, hold on. I will have to start this on another page. Hold on. Don't want to dox all my credit card information. Okay. So yeah. Additionally, I think it is still data risk. Let's update the flush script. Okay, it's going to do a flush script. That's good. I need to add credits, so I'm going to do that right now. And then that way we can keep going. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna end up spending like $200 on this game accidentally because I'm just not paying attention and continuing to add credits because I just want this to work so badly. So now you have to donate. I'm just kidding. But oh, I do like all these ideas. I like the idea of like skins and all sorts of different upgrades. Like what I like doing with this stuff is just pushing it to the limit. Like I just want to push it as far as I possibly can and see what it's capable of, you know? Generation requires you to run some scripts. Yes, that's fine. Show me the script. They usually do. There, run. That's going to clear all of Redis. So just as a note for everybody, you have a whole, like anything that you were doing is now gone. So, okay. Find match. Let's see. Now it's just seeing if this is working. That looks fine. So what was the first change that it was trying to add? What did it actually do? Okay, what was it actually trying to do? Only check current player. No longer delete player. Okay, I think. Let's go. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. I am unsure what you implemented from our last plan, but can you review and go back to adding the things we talked about? Private games. I don't even remember what we added. What did we do? We added private games. We added best of three, and what else did we add? Private games, best of 3, and what the heck was it? I got to go all the way back. Oh, game isolation. Oh no. Less aggressive disconnect. No, that's wrong. What the heck was the other thing that we added? The match is working on playing with Quick Wolf here. Nice. Okay, sweet. What was the other thing that we added? I wanted to add private matches. I wanted to add best of 3. And there was one other thing, and I can't find the thing that I said. Where is it? Is it here? Oh shoot, I lost it. What was the other thing that I added? I think I blew it. Game isolation, less aggressive. Okay, that's fine. That's what I want. Okay. I think it got lost in here. I think that's what happened. I think we need to rerun this. But it's gone. I think everything I typed is gone. Okay, what if I press retry here? What do you think's gonna happen? I have no idea if this is gonna figure it out. I think it's probably not, because I don't think it's gonna know what I talked about adding. Oh no, it's got it. Yes, okay. It's gonna rerun it. Best of 3, what was the other thing? Oh, rematch system. What was the other thing that I tried to add? Was a rematch system. And that broke. That broke everything. We're gonna try it one more time though. We added more money. We're gonna let it run. Oh, I don't want to do this phone call at 2. I really don't. Oh, I have to though. If I, just as a note, I don't normally do this, but because I think I'm gonna come right back to this when I'm done. Is not that anybody has to stay, obviously, but I'm gonna do I'm gonna turn off like my microphone and this and just leave something up on screen, but leave the stream running because I really don't want to bail on this stream. I want to keep this going. I don't really want to like stop it and then start it again, even though as far as like actually getting an audience in, it's because you get all the notifications. Maybe it's better to stop it and start it. I might do that. I don't know. Listen, I figure it out as I go. Trying in public is the way I like to look at it. Loki Abu, who's awesome. If you ever see him in streams anywhere, he's a great guy, and he gave me that try in public. Okay, we're going back to the significant change, and we're gonna hope that it figures it out. And then we need to navigate this. Let me into the stages. I'll use my to-do manager to track my progress. Dude, Vercel is out of control. Like, oh my goodness. VO by Vercel is actually out of control. I cannot believe what it's doing right now. Yeah, this is wild. If it adds this, like if it figures this all out, I'm gonna be just like in shock. But yeah, I might end up doing a separate stream, just as a note. I might end up just like canceling this when I have to go do my call, then come back, restart a stream. It's kind of cheap, but it does give you like the extra bump. Because then people see the new notification, because people don't always see stuff as you're going. It's not like you get a lot of, once you're already live, it's not like a ton of people come back and see it. Oh man. And then we're gonna add, my last thing that I want to try and add, if I can get it done before, is a donate button. And I think we want to add it, I'm gonna add it at the bottom here, underneath the R story, because people might read this and be like, oh, that's cute. And then the suggestion of adding it at the end of a match is great. Now, I don't want it to do offline. Actually, it can do on an offline match too. Who cares? And I really like the idea. Just like, enjoyed playing, consider donating, done. It's a button, easy, at the end of each match. mean, I don't expect anybody to actually donate, but like legitimately. But it's cool. It'd be cool if they did, and might as well set it up so that it can work. Man, I'm getting cold. I might have to close this window. So like, do I need a new career? I mean, honestly, dude, Jason, I'm sorry, man, but you might. I am. Have you tried playing the game yet? I mean, you could try it now. It's doing a bunch of changes, so it might break. But like, it's insane. I'm actually shocked at what it's able to do now. Like, it implemented the entire multiplayer by itself. I've just given it a ridiculously huge ask. If it pulls this off, I'm gonna lose my mind. Me, not a dev? I am not a dev. I'm a marketer by trade. But I've always liked Did One Match Time to Become a Plumber. Dude, you should look up in the chat. People are suggesting I should just turn this into something real cool with like V-Bucks on Fortnite. Card skins, loot boxes. This could just be it for me. This could be my retirement plan, you know? Just but yeah, no, it's anyways, it is out of control and I am actually blown away. And to answer your other question, Wood One, I am not a developer by trade. I enjoy developing. TL is the best ad for AI. He's a dev and made this. I know. I'm just enough of a dev. Like, I'm in that horrible position where like I have built stuff without AI before. And some of it's pretty good, I think. Like here, did you ever play this game? Oh, nice. I made $72 on this game. But I made Lemonade Stand, and I love this game. And I've programmed this all by myself in Pico 8. I've talked over and over and over about Pico 8 on stream. You can see it on YouTube, whatever you want. But like, you know, I coded this game by myself and drew all the pictures and did everything. And oh, it's a rainy day. Not going to be a lot of sales. We're going to go low on this one. Let's do 2 batches of lemon, 2 batches of sugar. Let's do 10 cups. We're going to do a 2-to-1 ratio and a super cheap price for a rainy day. But like, I made this game. And like, I coded all this by myself. So like, I'm like a very amateur dev. I've built websites. I've made other apps and programs. This is my favorite, this game that I made though. Oh, I sold 6 cups. A little sweet, too expensive. Whatevs, bro. Cloudy day. You know, so I did this. This is cool. And I'm pretty proud of this. But I did this before AI. But now I can do this. And somebody said it the other day, and like, I hate to say it, but like, I think it is actually true. Like, I never was a project manager for apps, but I do actually believe I have a pretty good instinct for how apps should work, like how games should work, how apps should work. Like, I mean, I think it's probably just from being a really heavy user of computers, but like my skill as a developer, I don't think ever matched my taste and understanding of how products should work. And I think for people like me, because I have some coding background, reasonable taste in how things should work, AI can be super useful for me. It's still annoying. It still makes a ton of mistakes. It still does all of the other things, but it also, I can do it. And like, I can make this, and like, this is a game that works. And I feel like I have a good enough instincts of like what should work that I can prompt AI reasonably well. I think communication skills, PM stuff, translate well to AI prompting. Yeah, I think it does too. People flop it with it when they're like, make me a game. 100%. I do think that really does translate into AI. I think if you can, and it's weird, I think that's like where my marketing background and the fact that I'm technical-ish as a human comes in really handy, because most of my career has been communicating like technical stuff, either between dev teams and marketing teams, or between the product and customers, and trying to dumb that stuff down. So yeah, home lab without knowledge about it, that's awesome. I mean, I set up a full Nextcloud server at my house before AI, and it works awesome and it's great. But now that I have AI. When I upgraded it. I just put on open code on the Raspberry Pi and was like, hey, make all these changes. And then it just did it. And that was awesome. It saved me a ton of time, which is amazing. If this works, I'm going to lose it. How much money have I spent on this? Oh, we're at like $10 just on these 3 changes. Oh shit. Here we go. Okay. It's going to run some diagnostics. Holy snap. Let's try it. I'm going to publish it. Because I'm weird and I just like to publish things. Because I want anybody who's in here who wants to try this out, make sure you give yourself a refresh. I have no idea if this is going to work. Wait till the build is done. I have absolutely zero clue if this is going to work or what pieces of it will work or anything. But we're going to try it. So first thing I want to try, if we could do this as a team. Come on, team. I need you. Just join a regular game. I just want to do a regular join game, not all the special hosting, and just see if all of that still works. If that still works, then we'll try doing a hosted game. And I'll put the URL in the chat, and then anybody can join the hosted game. And then if that works, I mean, what the hell? I don't even know. We're there. Okay, here we go. Find match. Anybody else available to try and join? If you need the link here, I'll put it in again. Join game. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I did it again. Sorry. It's spamming. It's spamming everywhere. I should never do that because it breaks. Okay, we got 3 people in. This is great. All right, 10 seconds. This is perfect. We got enough people in here to try it. I just want to make sure that matchmaking still works. Woo! I was so proud of those little emojis. They're so stupid, but I was so happy about them. Oh no. Oh, it got stuck. Okay. Shoot. That happened before, and it's because of Redis. Okay, hold on. I think all of these changes are going to cause issues with the Redis setup, and it probably needs to be flushed. Can you do that? And then we will try again. I'm almost certain that's what it is. Because I bet because this is what happened before. And yeah, okay, so hold on. I'm just gonna wait. Let's try this again. I have a gut feeling that that's what it is. Because that happened before. Flush script already exists. Please run it. Click the play button in the scripts. Oh, okay. I can just do that. Well, that's easy. Oops. Scripts. Flush Redis. Where's the play button? You told me there would be a play button, and you lied to me. Oops. Don't do that. Where's this play button? You liar. Liar! Hold on. If I make it bigger, will it be there? No. I don't see the play button. So... AI's been great for me to do more Linux infra stuff. Yeah, 100%. Okay. There's no play button on the script. Can you prompt me to run it? That's usually what it does. But I do think that's the issue. Oh, I can just visit this route? Oh yeah, I guess that makes sense. It is just a URL. That's smart. Although I definitely don't want that to exist for forever, because that would lead to major problems of people just flushing Redis randomly. Okay. Did that work though? Hold on. Oh shit, do I need to publish this first? It's still doing stuff. I forgot. File exports Redis with flush Redis import. Okay, don't do all this. No, you've gone too crazy. You've gone too ridiculous. Stop. Stop that. Remove the route just in the window. Just you, Vercel, run the script. it will ask me to run it, and we'll be all set. AI, man. Oh, I only have 30 minutes. I gotta get this back to a working position before we go. I think parenting teacher on a prompt. Well, yeah. Stop it. just stop it, you silly goose. Okay, please click run on the script above. Flush up. There's no. You've lost it with this. It shouldn't be this hard because you know how to do this. Okay, let's refresh. It should just pop up with a blink, and it says, "Hey, presented flush script." That's what I want, but it didn't do it, did it? If I click this, will that work? No. Please click run on the script above. I can't run it, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I'm not mad at AI. I am disappointed, though. No, you're not letting me run it, and I don't know why you're not letting me run it. It's so funny because usually when it creates this script, I've done this like 4 times, and in this screen, it'll just be like, you need to run this script. Maybe do I need to open this console? Like, why is that not working? I'm not being presented with the option in the preview window to run the script. Try again. It's actually, I'm really annoyed that this isn't working because this is usually like a super easy fix, and this is gonna end up costing me like $12 to work through because it's being stupid. You just think they're not seeing the option to run the script in the preview window. Let me try presenting. Okay, do it. I think. Do I have to? Well, let's see if it figures it out. Hopefully, it figures it out. Script will clear. Yes, I know that that's what it'll do. There. See? That's all I wanted. Oh, AI. All right. Hopefully, unexpected token. Well, script. Okay. Let's try one more time. Everybody who's in and available, do the old refresh of the page. I don't even think I have to publish it. Actually, let me fix it. Hold on. Hold up. We're gone too wild. We've gone wild. And we went too far off the path. Now let's see if it'll fix it, and then we can publish it. Just unsub from a channel, and they are. You sure pop-up window almost crashed my browser? I feel like that's deliberate. Oh, there are you sure? Oh man, yeah, that's annoying. I hate that kind of stuff. Because I'm in marketing, I am so against so much of the marketing tactics. Like I hate them. I absolutely hate them. I very strongly just believe with that the mentality should be make stuff people want and talk about it in an exciting way. And if you have to resort to all this stupid like growth hacks and garbage and like all of this fake shit, like you're doing something wrong. And it really annoys me that so many people run their businesses like that. Like I get it, but I'm also just annoyed by it, you know? Okay, we're publishing. If anybody's still in here after this publishes, let's do a refresh. And hopefully, after clearing out Redis, that will... Do you say Redis or Redis? I've always said Redis. Ideally, once this publishes, it will work. What's the word? Like no friction to usage. Yeah, exactly. Just make it easy. Make it easy to use your product. Make a good product. It doesn't have to be the best product, but just make it a good product. And then you should be good to go. Okay, refresh, find match. If anyone can join. I want to see... Oh, I hope this works. Because if it doesn't, I'm going to have to revert, and then I'm going to have to break up all that amazingly large prompt into a few smaller ones. All right, Quick Wolf. Yeah. Thanks for joining in. Mad? Don't be mad. Be happy. Celebration. Yay. Do you know how excited I was to get those little emojis working? It's such a stupid little extra piece, but it's fun. Okay. Oh, I don't like that it started counting down at 4. That already makes me nervous. That's not going to work. I knew it. Shoot. Oh, we're going to have to go back. Darn it. Okay. Check the logs. Check the logs. The game logs. The countdown for the game lobby is getting stuck at 0 and not initializing the game. This happened before, and it was a Redis and countdown timer issue. Please review in detail and make updates so that it works. My favorite feature. Ah. Okay. I remembered that it happened when it started at 5 to 3. I also just realized if everything starts breaking, it's because this page is using a ton of memory. You should add some pre-made messages with the emojis too. Oh yeah, that I was thinking about that. That's a good suggestion. Okay. Let me see if we can fix this. We're going to try and do 2 things. This has the fix. It includes safe version and await and waiting phase handler. Let me check if maybe the issue is with how initialized game is setting up. Okay, figure this out. I don't want to add more money. Oh, don't run out of money. I will though, if I have to. Color address, still Redis data. We already did that. They don't have the proper structure. Flush creates I already did the run option, so you're messing things up now. You're losing it. Your context has gone crazy. Updating. Okay. This should appear in the preview panel. We're going to try this again. Flush it properly. Okay. Clear all old game states that may be causing the countdown to hang at 0. Okay. I should actually just be able to do this here without publishing, but I think you guys can actually join this, weirdly enough. If you still join the game, it will often add you into the preview window, because it's actually just runs it from the live site, even though it's like technically not published. Yeah, is that weird? I noticed that about how this works. Don't be angry. You can only be angry if it doesn't work. Oh, I hope it works this time. I really don't want to revert back and start over on those changes. I will, though, if that's what we have to do. But now this might not work because it's in this window. It's also possible. Oh, why is it stuck at 3 seconds? Oh, no, there we go. Okay. Oh, I don't know if is this just my preview window messing up? Are you guys seeing things better? Or is this just messing up because I'm in preview? Or did it not work? Hold on, I'll open it over here. Maybe I should have. Stuck at 0. Fudge! Darn it. Okay, well, then we're gonna do this. We are gonna go back. Oh, I don't want to go back. I can't do it. Okay, let's just, I want to, actually, hold on. I'm gonna try a hosted game. Because I wonder if adding the hosted feature, it's not smart. It didn't think to do the changes. I actually think it could also have something to do with the added feature of the best of 3 game, and it doesn't understand that the game is wrong. I think there is an issue with the added best of 3 game feature that is causing countdown errors and games not to start. But first, let's just try this. Refresh, host a game. It's creating a new game. There's the host code. Okay, you guys can see that on screen, yeah? See if you can join a game. Try and do that. I just want to see if that works. Because if this doesn't work, then why is it saying waiting for host though? Share this. I should. Oh no. Oh yeah, this is the problem. It's the private game stuff for sure. Because like, I should be in here because I'm the host, but it just gives me a code, and then I have to leave the room. Oops. Is that what's oh, why did it do that? That's not what I wanted. Here, wait. R. Oh, and that copy doesn't work either. Okay. I think this is definitely the issue. Host join. Join game. Room not found. Okay, yep. It's all of this. Okay, we're going back. We're going back. We're going to go back. We're going to go back. We're going to add in all the changes except for the host/join private game. And then we'll add that in after. Okay. I've had all the requested features. All right. We are going to go back to here. We're going to restore this version. Version 98. We only wasted like $20. But we're going to go back here. Okay. Oh, why is that not right? I don't want latest. I want version 104 was created by restoring version 98. So version 114 is what I want, but why is that showing host/join? Oh, did I need to go back further? Ah, there's still Redis data. Check the game. Let's go. Oh yeah, here. We need to go back to. That's the error of deployment not being presented. Flush script. There's no play on the script. I need to go back. 97. Maybe I need to go back even further. I have the complete picture. Okay, yes. Let's do this. Let's copy this because I don't want to lose it. Oops. There should be a copy button, right? Copy. Then we're going to revert to this version right before this update. Oops. Version 93. That's the version we need. Version. Oh, that was an hour ago. Oh my goodness. We've been doing this for too long. Too long. There we go, though. That's right. Okay. Do me a favor. And just really quickly, if you can, I understand people are busy and have other things to do in their lives, but if you can, just quickly, after this publishes, reload and see if we can just get into a regular original game. Because I think the private host join was what caused the issue, but I still want to get the other changes. And I have to admit, Wood 1, you were right. We should have done it in steps. I just wanted to see what would happen if we just knocked the whole thing out. Did not work. You were correct. It was a bad choice. Okay, publish. Okay, now this might also end up with a Redis issue, but let's see. If you're around, try and join. See if this one game will start. Hopefully it does, because if it does, then we know what the issue was, and I'm almost certain it had to do with all of that logic, because that was a huge chunk of logic, and I'm not surprised that it didn't work. Yay, okay. Game works fine. Perfect. All right, Quick Wolf, let's see what you got. Ooh, good try, good try, good try. This is Twitch, sir. I'm busy watching thoughts. That's fair. That's fair. All right, Sly Wolf. Who are you going for? Oh, Stronghawk, you're a bot. You got kicked out. It's okay. Did you get kicked out on purpose, or did your page just refresh? Or are you guys not able to make... Thanks, Twitch. I'm sure I have agency. Oh, self-elimination for Sly Wolf. Are you guys able to play? Or is it just not working? I can't tell. Because I don't know what's happening. Oh, self-elimination on the bot. Okay, can I play? It's just me and Quick Wolf. Quick Wolf. Oh, self-elimination. Okay. Were people able to play that game? Or I won doing nothing? Nice. I do like that about the game. That it like... That I set it up specifically like that. Hold on. I'm going to leave this queue. You played? Okay, great. Awesome. Then I'm just going to try and do... We're going to put this script back in. Oh, I need to be able to edit this, though. Oh, no. I don't want to edit the name. Can I not edit it like this? Ah, forget you, Vercel. But cards highlighted and I clicked. Okay, perfect. I don't know who I was, though. Nice. Well, if the card's highlighted and it worked. just as a note, I made it so that your player will always be the one at the bottom of the screen, just to make it easier. Okay, I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna pull this prompt back up, and I'm gonna try and add everything except for the host and join private server games, because I think if we get that stuff in, that would be good. And then I'll see if I can actually go back and do the rest. So rotation, best of 3, and the replay, and then I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, so we're just gonna do this, and if all players successfully again, is voted. Oh, why did I not? Oh, hold on. Why? Okay. I want to try this. And let's see if that works. Ideally, this will work. If we can get, I want the best of 3 because I do like the idea that you don't just do one game and then get kicked. I think it's too fast. And I think having to win 2 games is a little more fun. And if it sucks, then I can just change it. Like, that's, I will say this about AI, and I'm sure everybody who's been using AI has the same feeling. Like, there is 0 cost for me to try this out. Like, if it doesn't work, who cares? Like, just revert and I'm done. I wasted a few bucks, but like, I didn't waste any of, like, I didn't waste a ton of time. I mean, I literally could be doing anything else while this is running, and that would be, it would still do what it needs to do. All right. I want this best of 3 to work. Then I want, after best of 3 works, ideally, then I would like after that, I'm gonna add in my little donate. You know, why not? Hold on, let me see this full message. Okay, I'd also like to add an option to replay. Yeah, if replay with the same players and best of 3 works on this run, that would be awesome. I think that would be pretty cool. I'd be pretty stoked on that one. Make it 8 players. Oh, I'm getting more recommendations on Twitter. Emmett, that's a good recommendation. I know, I have thought about making more players. I think like 1 to 8 would be cool. I'm worried about breaking it again. And I'm mostly worried about layout. I think that's where it really struggles, is like figuring out the smart way to like actually line it all up. Although maybe because I have the 4 set up. Hey, thanks for playing, man. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day. And hopefully next time you come back, everything will be working. And it'll be, all the stuff we've been talking about will be done. That's the goal. I'm going to have to go soon too. I'm going to have to go in like 20 minutes, do a phone call that's going to be super fast. But then I'm going to probably come back on stream right after that call because I really want to get this. I want to finish this. I want to finish this today. 8 players is a good recommendation. I do like that. I think I could probably do it. Now we're just playing against time and money of letting the AI do it. I mean, still cheaper than paying devs, unfortunately. I don't know, man. I am getting worried for devs. Like, for me, there's definitely still going to be needed. I don't disagree with that at all, but it is wild what is doable these days. The good news is that didn't work perfectly. If those prompts would have worked and that whole game would have worked perfectly, then I think my attitude would have immediately switched to, it's completely over for devs. You might as well just stop playing because you're done. But because it didn't work, you still got time. You're still good to go. Okay. Oh, we really broke it on that one. I was really hopeful. Really hopeful that that was going to work. All right, let's see. Let's see if it does this. How much money do I have? Oh, $19. It's going to be close. It's going to be close, baby. Let's see what we can do. I would like this to work. I'm hopeful. Maybe the best of 3 logic was actually more complicated than I thought it was. Or just more breaking, I should say. Okay, new vote for rematch. That's good. Add state tracking for rematch votes. Update the winner game over display. Handle series and versus round end phases. Add series wins to player seat components. Add rematch voting UI with voter avatars. Okay, I like this. Yo. Hey, what's up, Nick? Nick on the old X chat. I'm using VO mostly because I like Vercel's deployment options, and the VO makes it super easy for, like, this game that I'm making has Redis, and I think it's using Supabase, although I don't actually know if it's in use anymore. It also has like a built-in free tier for chat. It's pretty wild. Like, it's making the deployment is really easy. Michio, because all AI, so that's why I've been using it. I was using Gemini to get it started, but I really hate Google's deployment. If Google fixes their deployment, I would happily use like Google AI Studio, but deploying on Google sucks compared to deploying on Vercel. At least for somebody who's like not super technical. And then, sorry, Michio, you said, because all AI is trying to lower for content, it'll never be a great developer. Yeah, I agree with you. I mean, it's never, I don't think AI is ever going to fully replace developers. I don't think that's ever going to happen. I think if you use it a lot, I think it will make you faster for sure. And I think, like I was saying earlier, for somebody like me, it definitely helps heighten my abilities because I'm not a great developer. So it does a pretty good job. Okay, we've got 15 minutes to hopefully see if these changes work. Then I got to go and do like literally a 15-minute phone call. And then I'm going to come back and try and finish this out for the day. Finish this game with the changes that we want to add. The changes that we're looking to add, assuming, I'm just going to go ahead and assume that this works. Assuming this works, the changes that we want to add next are private games where you can host and join a server. I think I just need to write that prompt a little bit better. And then if that works, maybe we will go to 8 players. That could be a fun challenge to go to 8 players. And then if that works, tried them all last year to pump out DFS topological sort that handled collision reinsertion. None of them could do it. So I had to bust out an algorithms book. Nice. I know it is, I will say, and I hate saying this because I want to be very clear. I use AI for lots of things and I use it every day. I am so annoyed by the AI hype circle that exists right now. And so every time I say something positive about AI, it hurts me just a little bit because I don't want to contribute to the hype cycle. But there are things that have changed definitely from like last year to this year. Like things have gotten much better. I mean, I definitely used a few things last year and it was like, this is pretty good. And it's gotten me better. I am not saying it can handle what you're trying to have it do, but I am surprised by the changes that have been made. Okay. So interesting this, by you doing so much vibe coding, you're still not on board with crazy. I know. I just don't like it because I think people, so like making this game. So just as a note, Nick is commenting on X, so you guys can't see it, but because people talk about how easy it is and like how fast it happened and like I just gave it a prompt and it built this blah, and like I have never had that experience with AI where it just like builds it perfectly. It does a good job to start. It looks good enough that you can post it on Twitter and be like, look how good this thing is. But then if you actually get under the hood and you start playing with it, you see it just breaks in all sorts of random edge cases. At least that's been my experience. So I feel like the hype is too high. And so it really bothers me because I'm like, this is super useful. And like building this game, as of now, I think I've put in probably like 8 hours into it. And like, it's a pretty simple game. But like, if I were to like do this and then go on and be like, I did this in like one shot and it was amazing and super easy. Like, it's just so fake, and I don't think it's the way it actually is. So I push back very heavily against hype because I don't think it's real. And I think it actually takes away from how valuable these tools can be and how interesting they can be if you're too overhyped with them. So, and yeah, Michio, I agree. Like, it's great at skeletons and busy work and such, and like, it's even doing a good job at this game. Like, I cannot say that it is not doing a good job, but also, I think I'm on like what? I think I've done like 115 iterations of this game, or like different deployments and like changes and stuff. So like, it didn't knock it out of the park. It wasn't perfect the first time. No, nowhere close. Okay, let me try this. Let's see if it added. If anybody's available and can join, here for XChat, I'll give you the link. And here, I'm just gonna actually post the link in the chat instead of using the command. But if anybody wants to join, I just want to see if this best of 3 actually works. Because I also noticed that if it does work, I'll need to update some of the text. Because I wanted that to be clear that it's a best of 3 round. Well, even if you guys don't join, that's okay. It should still work with the bots. Oh, don't get stuck on 0. Okay, good. Okay, Valeria. Oh yeah, round 1 of best of 3. Okay, that's good. So that added. I like that. Corvus. Okay, come on. This will be like the one time where nobody... You're in the queue. Okay, you joined a new game, which is great though. That's how it should work. So you should be in a new game that has a countdown timer, Nick, that should start. Even if nobody else joins, you should be able to play against bots, is how it's set up. So let me know if that actually works or not. You tried to eliminate the wrong person. All right, Valeria. Actually, I'm going to eliminate Thorn. I feel like this is her. Whoops. No, Valeria. Darn it. Should have gone for Valeria. Started. Nice. Okay, good. So you're in a separate game. That's perfect. I like that. This is good. If you don't mind playing out that game, like it shouldn't take you long, but if you actually don't mind playing out that game, that would be sweet. Maybe best of 3 isn't the way to go. Maybe just one game was good enough. That'll be really annoying. Because I don't know. I don't know. I'd like it to be quick, but I like the idea of best of 3. I do like the best of 3 idea. So I think, although of course, like this game is taking the longest of any game that I've ever done. Normally everybody gets knocked out right away. Okay, come on. I only have 9 minutes. Then I gotta do a phone call. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is happening. This is the longest this game has ever taken. Valeria, is this you? Yes! Okay. Down to 1 player. 1 player left. All right. And Nick, if you finish a game and then it goes to start a new one and you get stuck, let me know. No, they got me. Okay, so I lost. It should add some form of counter to Thorn. Thorn won that round. Next round starting. Awesome. That's cool. Now I kind of want Thorn to win, though. I hope Thorn wins because I want to see if it works. So I'm going to target anyone other than Thorn. Oh, it added in the gold medal under Thorn's name. Amazing. That's the way it should have been. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Now I need Thorn to win because I want to see... Don't self-eliminate, Thorn. Don't self-eliminate. Come on. Stay in the game. Yes, okay. You didn't get anyone out, but you didn't self-eliminate. That's good. I can deal with that. All right. I'm going to try and get Valeria out. No! Oh, I was hoping the card was still there. It was not. It got moved. No! Valeria self-eliminated. Perfect. Okay, now I just need to not get Thorn out. Oh, Thorn, please don't self-eliminate. Come on. I just want to know if this works. Yes! Good job! Okay. Did it work? Okay, I'm out. Thorn wins. That should be the end of the game. Yes! Play against same players. Does that work? It does. Oh, yes. I think it works totally fine. I'm going to leave this game now. I don't want to be in that game. That is awesome. I like that. I like best of 3. I think at some point I will probably, and thank you, Nick, that it took you to the next round. That's awesome. I think I should do it as an option where you can do like 1, 3, or 5 games. Because now that it has the 3 logic, I don't see any reason why adding in 1 and 5 would be that difficult. Okay, we're gonna add two things. First, I want to add. Oh, what time is it? I gotta go so soon. I'm gonna come back though and continue to finish this. This is great. I would like to add two more things. When you click find match, let's add option. Yeah, thanks so much, Nick. Thanks for that. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm gonna keep working on this over the next couple days and see how far I can get. So I'll be streaming a lot about it. If you want to play more or join in, you're always welcome. Okay, let's add an option before you enter matchmaking with 3 buttons on screen. That is how many rounds per game would you like to play? Then we will have 1 game, 3 or 1 round, 3 rounds, or 5 rounds, depending on what they pick. That will decide the game state of either a single round game, 3-round game, or best of 5-round game. Can you add this logic? And you will need to expand on the 3-round game logic to apply to the 5-round game. Also, now that we've added the rounds and options, let's make sure we update the how to play text to showcase this new change. Lastly, a simple addition of a donate button on the main page. Put the donate button under our story. The text width should read, enjoying the game, consider donating. Then a button that says donate now, and the button takes the player to this URL. Also, use the same wording and button, and after a full game ends, on the victory/defeat page, add it here as well. Okay, we're gonna let that run. Now, I don't actually know if anybody's left in here. I have got to run. I'm gonna go do a phone call. When I'm done, I'm gonna restart this stream. And we're gonna keep working on this and hopefully finish the game. If it can solve this while I'm gone, that'd be amazing. And then the next step when I come back, we're gonna try and get private rooms working, because that really messed things up, I think, on the last option, the last time we tried to run this. But we got our best of 3. We got our voting to replay. I want to do some more testing on those, so hopefully some more people will join the stream later. But I think we're like 90% there, and then I'm going to try and add in if all this works, I'm going to try and add in the host and join game options. So let's see what happens here. And thank you everyone for joining me. I will be back later, so hopefully you can come play. I hope you're enjoying the game. It's been a lot of fun to make, and I am really enjoying playing it. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you all soon.